So, have you ever wondered why everyone loved Jarvis in Iron Man, but today people aren't exactly thrilled about AI, like ChatGPT? I've been thinking about that, and honestly, I think big tech just failed to sell us AI properly. You see, in the Iron Man movies, Jarvis wasn't there to replace Tony Stark. Jarvis was his assistant, his helper, his sidekick. He amplified Tony's intelligence. Jarvis wasn't taking over, he was supporting. But when AI like ChatGPT, Grok, and the rest came along, big tech sold them like they were replacements. We had headlines like AI will replace programmers in 6 months, or AI will replace artists, and stuff like that. That's what we were told. And I would like to inform big tech that nobody likes being told they're about to get replaced. Now let's look at Jarvis and compare it to ChatGPT and AI. So Jarvis felt personal. It was Tony Stark's tool, something he actually controlled. But modern AI like ChatGPT, it's not really yours. It's a corporate service. You rent access to it. And instead of being framed as something that helps you, it often just is framed as something that should do your work in your place, which is like cognitive offloading. And if you've seen the recent paper, AI, at least this version of AI, is actually making us dumb. So I feel like the missed path, what big tech should have done is simple. They should have sold AI like Jarvis. They should have sold it as an assistant, not as a replacement, something that augments your skills, something that helps you grow, not something that stops your growth and makes you dumber. Yeah, so they shouldn't have taken the replacement route. But hey, that's just my perspective. I think we should have been sold our own Jarvis and not not our replacements. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments, and yeah, subscribe if you want more of my tech rants.